In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit or debit card to PayPal account. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to link your card so you can check out faster, keep your details secure, and have a backup payment method ready whenever you need it. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website before you begin and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for Wallet. On desktop, you'll usually see Wallet in the top menu or along the navigation bar. Click it to open your payment methods hub where all your cards and bank accounts are managed. Inside your wallet, choose the option that says link a card. You might see other options like linking a bank, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on adding a credit or debit card. Clicking link a card opens a secure form where you'll enter your card details. Click into the card number field and type the full number exactly as it appears on your card. You can enter it without spaces or dashes. PayPal formats it for you. Take a moment to double check each digit. A single typo will cause errors later. Next, click into the expiration field and add the month and year printed on your card. Use the same order shown on your card, typically month first, then year. If your card is close to expiring, consider using a card with a longer validity to avoid interruptions. Now, click into the CVV field and enter the security code. This is the 3-digit number on the back of most cards, or 4 digits on the front for some card types. Keep this code private and only enter it on trusted, secure pages like PayPal. After that, open the billing address dropdown and select the correct billing address for this card. This must match the address on your card statement. If it doesn't match, banks often decline verification, so select the address you know your card issuer has on file. When everything looks right, click Link Card. PayPal may run a quick authorization to verify your card. This can appear as a small temporary charge that disappears automatically. Within a moment, you should see your card listed in your wallet. From here, you can set it as a preferred way to pay at checkout, and you'll be ready to use it across sites that accept PayPal. If you run into an error, carefully recheck the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Also confirm the card is active and supports online purchases. That's it. Your card is now added to your PayPal account, ready for security.